I'm gonna head over to Cars and Coffee. It's about 40 miles away from my house, so it's gonna be the first time I drive the Beetle for 40 miles there and about 40 miles back. So I'm hoping it'll make it. I've been just kind of putting around town. I've went to a couple car shows, and that's about it so far. But they've all been pretty close. So today we're gonna head up there. It's a Cars and Coffee, but it's Porsche themed today. So they fill up the main parking lot with the featured vehicle, which is going to be the Porsche, and then the rest of the parking area gets filled up with other cars, people that show up. So let's go for it, and I'll take you guys along with me and show you around. Lots of cars. I drove through the wrong entry, so I had to go around, but there's a ton of Porsches. Most of this video, I'm gonna be walking around and just showing clips of the different Porsches and cars that I see. I had to turn the volume down on a lot of this stuff because there's music playing in the background, so bear with me. The front entry area had a brand new Porsches from the local Porsche dealership, and then the parking lots out here had most of the Porsches lined up out there. A few other cars scattered in between, but this thing was pretty cool, this Roadster here. It's pretty neat. Filled up.
Yeah. Ohio itself doesn't. And I'm like, oh. Are you over there, right? Yeah, I already got it. Yeah, no,
Sweet. Beautiful.
super black yellow.
Oh yeah, over the engine.
That way.
That's cool. It's a fun color.
Now she's like 100. That's why I told my boss, I'll never go after
There's a ton of different models, 911, Carrera, a couple Boxsters. I don't know each individual model, and each one has, you know, different sub-model. Some of them are the GT3. I think I saw a GT4. I could be wrong, but a lot of different ones. Some turboed, some not. If you guys know, you can leave a comment below. There was a few of these older 356s, and then next to it, the green one there is the 914. There's quite a few of those, probably 8 to 10 914s. This one here was probably my favorite. Had a lot of cool details. The wheels were super cool. It's a GT3 RS. I only know that because it says it on the side. Look how low it is. You better put your foot under that thing. No. This old 356 was super nice. Just a little bit.
Like your Beetle.
Yeah. This one's older. Like 60s. One, maybe? What year is that, Jeff? 62, 1? I think there was 3 other Beetles there. Some of them were a little more complete than others. It's another Beetle. This one was in 1967. There was 2 Aston Martins there. This one was pretty clean. There's quite a few imports that were on air ride. This BMW had its super wide body kit on it, and the wheels were really deep dished. The back ones were super deep.
Sweet. Yeah. That's really nice. I get about. I don't like these fat little toes. So that's cute. Well done. I'm gonna go. Okay. Desiree, just look at like, this blue, that one, and then that green. I like that.
Well, that was pretty cool. There's a ton of Porsches, a lot of other cars too, but it's mainly Porsches. So it's pretty fun. Hang out for about 2 hours and taking off now. So the Beetle made it, no problem. I got here at probably like 8:10, and the gates open at 8, and somehow the parking lot was already full. So I had to park way back here, but that's okay. Super fun to go to. Met my buddy and his family here, so it's cool to see him. And now we're gonna drive home. I had no problems with the bug getting here, so I'm hoping I have no problems getting back. Let you guys know at the end here. Made it back. One piece. Quite a few bugs. So that was about 80 miles I drove round trip. This like I said before, most I've drove in the Beetle. It did great. No problems at all. I'm super happy with it. It cruised right along. 65, 70 almost a couple times. I was going with the flow of traffic. No one was passing me, so happy with it. Thanks for watching this one. If you guys got a minute, you could share, like, and subscribe. That'd be awesome. Appreciate it.